shit, I gotta fix my microphone. Ooh, this is bad. How do I fix this? Audio. Son, how is this mic so shit? How do I fix this? Oh, properties. Microphone. Alright, this is way better. Options. Filters. Noise suppression. Gain. Yo, can you hear me? W. 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 Yo, what's good, Arjun? Let me pull up chat on my phone as well, so this can be a little more efficient. That should be fine. Bum, 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 bum. You think in shorts? Yeah, low key. I might hop in a short right now and Try it out, low risk 2 micros since we're reacting off of this. Love right here, take it down over here. Hourly looks like it could flip. We created a doji down here, very big rejection off the gamma level. I'm gonna take a stab shorts right here. Stops at the top of this wick. I think shorts could play out for a while. At least either to the bottom of this wick. Bummatic. A little lower risk because we didn't tap a level that was a volume profile, but we did tap into a gamma level in respect to the OTE off of this. Very big rejection off the 1 hour, 4 hour. Tap the 4 hour VWMA. Very big rejection off of that as well. We have the new 4 hour and 28 minutes. I think there's pretty decent potential for these shorts. What's good, Mohi? So yeah, we also got a break and retest off of this VWMA. Hopefully this can hold for shorts. I wouldn't be surprised if we keep running up. I just think we should at least tap previous day's value area high before we keep pumping up higher. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, it's UHE. Oh, what's good? But yeah, I really do think we could get some decent shorts here. I'm not gonna lie. We keep projecting off the gamma level pretty decently. 15-minute doesn't look horrible for shorts either. 5-minute doesn't either. This should hold pretty decently. We tap this. Oh, what is that from? It's from those highs. If this doesn't play out, then I would wait for shorts up here or a re-entry for longs. But I do think we'll probably get okay shorts right here. Not great, but it's a little bit higher. Like it's a little riskier for these shorts. Let's see. We do seem to be back in profit, but I do see we didn't create a top wick for this candle right here, which I don't really like. But gamma level is still holding up pretty well. Respecting OTE, 0.618 was aligned with this gamma level as well. So they should dump off of these. I think this is where the dump happens now. We had those two retraces. It's either we start dumping right now or we're just going to get stopped out and it keeps going higher. But I do see us going down lower. I think shorts are a higher probability than longs, to be quite honest. We're also about to get that new 5-minute candle here soon. Tap VW main rejected pretty well off of it. See how this closes. Might add one more contract on the manipulation up higher off the 5-minute if we get good manipulation up higher. Alright. We check NQ. 5-minute has created a top wick. No. Still no bottom wick, so this is a very big chance this flips. Going to add one more contract for these shorts. There it is. Risking 200 to make 300 now. Gave us a little bit of a better entry. Pretty sure we still have no bottom wick on here. Yeah, still no bottom wick. That's a crazy open, I'm not gonna lie. And Q looks like a pretty bad chop. But we do have a volume imbalance here, so hopefully this next candle should open bearish and keep going lower, since we usually don't want to keep those in there. Dude, I need to fucking turn that shit off. We shouldn't break past this right here. This is what's going to keep sending us lower. Yeah. This should be pretty smooth move down. Once we get a close under this, we're gonna get smooth move down. Once we get a nice little close under this. I think this could be pretty good. No top wick made on this candle, which I'm not really a big fan of, but once we get, it's like I said, once we get this close under here, we should just keep on flushing. I'll go break even here on this one. Once we close under this, I'll be break even. We have good LRL, so it would be basically under this one once we take this one. Okay, we tap VWMA, we flipped. Let's see how this can keep moving. I'm not going for too much because, let's be realistic, if we were in a funded account, we were up 3.5k on it, then we would just be trying to hit $200 days or get small winning days and get them stacked up, so that's why I'm not shooting for the ground. Like, if I could probably aim for this low right here, but it's a lot riskier. We had what's it called, absorption up here, not absorption, but we had a big amount of sellers right here, and here. A lot of sellers were in there, and that's why we shouldn't break past this order block and keep going up higher. This high shouldn't get broken past. This should just flush. For NQ, we need to close under this. Okay. I'm liking the way we're moving right now. Though it's a little choppy, I think this is still going to give a clean delivery once we break this low. We'll turn executions on as well. Turn off execution labels. There. Nice dump. If we measure out this little, all of this could be put together, but if we measure out this chop right here, we can see how this up candle retraced back into the value area low. This right here, we tap point of control of this little chop right here. We had a big amount of sellers, so we have so many levels protecting this, like our stop loss, that we shouldn't even hit it. This should just be clean delivery down. Yep, and the way we're looking like right now looks really good. This looks like it could flip as well, I'm not gonna lie. Let me turn on EMA. I'm gonna turn off. Oh, never mind. Okay. I like the way this candle closed as well. Still no bottom wick on this candle that's currently being made. This should flip and keep flushing lower, either this candle or the next one. Alright, we tapped EMA, tap VWMA now. Alright, first 30 seconds of the candle has been made. Alright, new 15-minute in a minute and 40 seconds as well. 15-minute EMA is the only thing that's keeping us from going lower. So once we break that, we should be fine. This new 15-minute, per chance, either this next candle or this next 15 minutes should come up, fill this wick, and keep going down lower. New 15-minute here in a minute. Alright, we filled that wick now. We'll see how this moves. That flip is bad, I'm not gonna lie. I don't really like that flip. But it's like I said, this should hold. New 15-minute now. We closed as a doji actually, so this isn't horrible. We didn't close as bad as I thought we were gonna close. We did create a top wick basically, but it's very small. So I don't know if that holds. VW may go tap for longs. It's Mickey. Mic is pretty soft. Does it sound good? I was listening to it and it sounded pretty good. Gotta be careful. This could easily flip. Still the first. That was the first 30 seconds. I need to see a clean close under EMA and VWMA. It's looking good on NQ. MNQ looks pretty good as well. But we are still in this chop, which I don't like at all. Yeah, like see? It's like that. It's like I said, that's like something we don't want to see. Then NQ is moving really weird compared to MNQ. Sounds good. Could use a boost, I think. Okay. Let me see. Alright, I upped the gain, so it should be a little higher now. Order block is currently holding. Yeah, that's better. W. Alright, what I'm seeing right now is that EMAs and VWMA currently have no value. Just because we're in a chop, we need to see a clean displacement candle. This indicator lets me know displacement candles and where when big buyers step in as well, which is how I'll know. So. Okay, we created a top wick. Shut dump maybe. I like the initiative we're getting on these candles. We're just not holding them. And until we can hold like these big cells is when we'll get that real move. Right now it's just kind of playing in my face. So dude, I need to... Okay. 13 seconds till the candle close. I'm hoping this can hold, but we're just gonna have to wait, to be honest. 5 seconds, 4 seconds, looks good. 3, 2, 1. Okay. NQ, no top hook yet. Okay, we've created the top hook now. Now I'd like to see us go lower, I'm not gonna lie. We're just ranging too much for my liking. I don't want to see us close above this. It wouldn't make sense to me, I'm not gonna lie. We're gonna keep going lower. It'd be nice if this candle could flip. That would look good. This new 5-minute here in 3 minutes. New hourly in 9 minutes. Candle didn't exactly flip, but I like the reaction we had off of the EMAs. I'm not hating this, I'm just not liking it. Kind of in the middle when it comes to liking this trade. Then NQ hasn't created this top wick either, so then we have a small volume imbalance there, so that's not good. Okay. Nice. NQ looks like it could use a little bit of a bigger push, I'm not gonna lie. MNQ is looking a lot more bearish than NQ is, but we did get a pretty decent displacement candle to the downside. We finally tapped this low as well. Let's see some follow through with this next candle. Yep, there it is. Come on, come on, come on. I don't want this to reject off of this low. It seems like every TikTok trader is fading me as well. They're all in longs. Moore got stopped out. Eddie got stopped out. Alex got stopped out. Damn, bro. We just cooked literally the mainstream traders on TikTok. We just cooked them, bro. We just cooked all of them. They were all in longs. We were the only people in shorts, bro. That's so crazy. Shows the volume profile is the truth, and that's that red displacement candle. Hopefully we can hold it. If that can hold, then I will target a little lower than this, because that means we'll probably have a little bit of a continuation. Yeah, literally everyone you see is longing. Exactly. I didn't really get like the point of longing. Like I can kind of see why they're longing, but not really at the same time. But either ways, we're break even on this trade, so we're risk free. We broke this small little range, so we should have some follow through and at least sweep these lows. If this hits, then we'll be up 400 on the day, and I won't have to take any more trades. If I didn't enter, I had to walk my dog. Damn, bro. That's cool, man. This level is also aligned with these lows as well. Literally called this out. You outdid Alex and Eddie. Alex is my goat. That's how I learned how to take my entries. He's the one that helped me with dojis and OTE, which is what we use to do this. He just had, in my opinion, the wrong bias. We got another red candle as well. V sellers. This next candle should break this and shouldn't have a reaction off of it. When do you allegedly turn 18 again? Well, I can say I'm not 18 on here. Look at that. Holy shit. Look at that. Look at that shit. I turned 18 in 7 days, so in a week. Look at that, bro. What a beautiful fucking trade. Holy shit. WWW's in the fucking chat, bro. Let's fucking go, boys. Just like that. And the green streak continues. And the green streak continues. Alright. Look at that, bro. Fucking perfect TPs it's looking like right now. We had heavy buyers off that level. It could just, this could get disrespected heavily, but, and we could keep pushing lower, but, I mean, holy shit. W trade, wish I answered. It's cool, bro. I'll probably won't take like another execution today, but I'll still be on for a while longer since I've only been live for 30 minutes. So, yeah. My entry for long is almost there. W trade, brother. Hell yeah. Your long is like down here, correct? Is somewhere down here? previous day's point of control is almost at this low, so should be pretty W's. We could have gone for 121 points. Look at that. We could have gone for so much more, but I like the discipline I had with taking my base hit, because this is what I'm gonna need whenever I'm trading the eval or the funded account. Just take these base hits, and I don't have to go for $1,000 trades every single time I trade. Up 3.9k on the week. Last week we were up 2.7k, or no, 2.8k, and then the week before that we were up 5k. So right now we're up. If we were on a funded account, we would be up 5k, 2.8, 7.8. We'd be up like 11k on a 25k funded, bro. What up, bro? Damn, missed the entry. It's cool, bro. There's possible longs that may happen down here. We also had a pretty decent accumulation zone right here that we can run our volume profile over. This was, yeah, we have point of control right here off of this accumulation right here as well, which is nice. This trade was pretty textbook for my strategy. We had, what's it called, heavy sellers. We had point of control get tapped, rejection. We had the Gex levels also. Gex levels, they are a cheat code. They are fucking amazing. As you can see, we tap 0 gamma. We also tap OTE of this entire range. We tapped OTE, anchored at that low. OTE aligned with point of control. And then we entered off of this little rejection right there, and then we added more once we saw this. This candle had no top wick. I mean, yeah, it's pretty W. It's pretty good, bro. The main reason why I entered was the Gex levels, though. I saw how that Gex level was holding up, and everything was really just aligned really well, to be honest. So Gex levels is really what saved me, and then the what's called heavy buyers and sellers indicator I have. Very good trade. We have new 5-minute. We tapped. Oh no, we haven't tapped this value area high yet. This 5 minutes reacting pretty decently off of this volume profile level as well. New hourly actually here soon. I think there's new 4-hour as well. Yeah, new 4-hour here, so we could get a. This could be accumulation, manipulation, distribution for this new 4-hour, to be honest. But you have to wait for the bottom wick to be created first, I'm not gonna lie. That's what I would do. Wait for that bottom wick. We could see this go down a little lower. Tap this previous day's point of control aligned with this point of control from this range. And then we could see some very big buys, to be honest. But right now, this could be a pretty decent re-entry for shorts. I would take this like this. Target previous day's point of control. Since we got initial manipulation on the 4-hour to the upside, this should go a little lower. Let's go. We'll see how this plays out, this forward test. We're also rejecting pretty well out of this volume profile level, which is very nice, and I like to see that. And we're overall pretty bearish. We can take off the execution marks now. Only reason why I wouldn't take this is because the VWMA is really high up. And I wouldn't want to be risking like this much, because then that's just a negative RR. I mean, if you take 1 to 1, then I guess this would be alright, but I'd say that would be like the only reason why I wouldn't take this, but I still think this is a decent continuation trade overall. So we'll see how this one plays out. Got a decent rejection off of the level again as well. Nice little dump. Nice, nice. Can you rate my first entry of the day? Let's see. And wins. Ooh, W bottom tick. All the way up to TPs. Not bad. I fuck with that entry. That's how you play around. Like, this is what I was talking about yesterday as well. This is how you just play around in a range. You just set your like when you're in a range like that, like whenever, like in what you sent me, you just want to set a limit or just wait until like the bottom of the range gets tapped, and then you enter the like long or short, wherever, the opposite of where it tapped, you know what I mean? So this is like this is a textbook when it comes to trading in a range. So I really like that. I love that entry. What even is this low that I have marked out? I don't even know what this is. But yeah, I'd say go break even on this trade. Ooh. We tap value area high. Let's check it on the 5-minute. I don't know. I kind of would say go break even right now, to be honest. Since we tap value area high and we may get a deep retracement. Potentially. Yeah, like you see that big rejection? I don't really like that. And then this 5-minute created a pretty bad doji. So I'd say it's safest to just go break even right now. So I hope that would have been break even right there. We still have no bottom wick on this 1 minute though, so this could still flip and keep going down, but yeah. I don't like it whenever dojis get formed. Whenever we tap volume profile level, that's a pretty decent indication of a reversal. So yeah, this new 15-minute doesn't close until 10 minutes though. If you guys stopped out break even, like if any of you guys even entered, and you guys stopped out break even, I'd say wait for this tap into previously value area high to see if there's another continuation lower, since it's aligned with the 1 minute VWMA, and this is a wickless bottom candle, a wickless 1 minute candle. But yeah, entered Monks now. Monks could play. It's like I said, whenever you make dojis like these on the 5-minute or 15-minute, it's a pretty good indication we'll keep on, like we'll have a reversal whenever we tap a volume profile level. As fuck. I'm gonna go make myself some food and I'll be back. Alright, guys. Not bad. I hope those longs played out for you. It looks like they did, and you got like a really good bottom tick. I don't know. I mean, we got our trade in. Nice little 60 points, you know what I mean? Up 3.9k this week. Tomorrow's what, Thursday? We'll be on for AM session. I can't stay on long today. Like last time, I was on till like 3 a.m., bro. I actually gotta wake up for AM session tomorrow. I can't keep skipping it. It's like such a bad habit I'm getting into. I can't keep doing it. You might be the market maker, not that, but this is gonna push up high, bro. This is AMD, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, so this is gonna pump for a while, bro. Like, this is gonna run. Alright, though, I'm gonna head out. We had a really good trade. Today we caught 66 points. Read the market like a book. Called out everything. I mean, I don't know. I couldn't have really done anything better today. I mean, it was really just perfect. Got on at the right time. Executed at the right time. Yeah. I'll try and be live during AM session because I keep skipping it and that's really fucking bad. But other than that, I'll catch you guys later. Very, very good day. I'll catch you at AM session. I'll probably be live like 10 minutes before it even starts or something. I don't know. But yep. W trades today. Hell yeah, bro. I hope your TP gets hit. But other than that, I'll catch y'all tomorrow morning. See ya. I played all the streamers. Nah, deadass, bro. All them. I respect Alex and I respect Eddie. But Eddie, he said it himself. He's more of a content creator than a trader. And then, what's it called? Alex, I feel like I could get up to his level once I start trading evals again and XFAs. I think I could be in like the same level as he is, and like after a month. But other than that, I'll catch you.